Good day. Welcome to my cargo trailer build for my work and adventures. So I've got Reflectix insulation up on the ceiling. Got foam insulation first, aluminum foil, and Reflectix extra. So I'm putting the ceiling up. Cedar boards. Got first strips up, so make it easier far as doing random, semi-random lattice with the boards. I don't have the entire ceiling, the insulation up. I just wanted to make some progress and feel good about it. One of the things I'm doing is on the edges, I'm routing it to give it a nice round smooth edge, just like the wall. Now, one of the things, time saver, don't forget, if you're gonna do what I do, is I started screwing some of the boards up and I forgot to round it off, and that really kills time. So trying to remember to do that is important, very important. Cutting 45 bevel on the end of the boards, so give a nice professional finish versus a rough 90-degree type of cut. It may come out looking same, but I think it also adds to the design factor of it. Of course, I'm screwing on both sides of the board in most cases. Now what I'm doing is not cutting off the boards exactly where it lands on the first strip. I decided not to do that. That's a time killer, waste of material. So when I put the next one, the first strip is right here, it'll be able to hold that down. And there's plenty of screws, and thing about cedar, it's so light, it's not going to be an issue falling down or anything. So that's my tip, and that's where I am. Project continues, and I hope to have the ceiling done today. The fun part of building the counter right here is gonna happen. Then I'll probably build a storage right there to primarily hold my helmets. Very important, priority. And of course back here I'll have all my Milwaukee pack out tools and such for work. Cheers everybody. Please give a thumbs up, like on my YouTube video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have an outstanding day.